Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to my video. This is MG from Homely Chat. This is a Homely Market Watch, November 18. Today is Wednesday. So I'm gonna share you this topic. The vaccine counter starts again because end of this market close. The price just shoot up a little bit, but really a signal of the vaccine counter starts because basically from the regularity of before start, it has some chance, but not so high, not so good as we expected. And second topic is the glove counter unable to reverse, how to deal with it. And also we will also talk about the bank. The bank counters kind of the profit a little bit returns. So how should do? Of course, this video also is purely for study and discussion, not for copy and sell. Everybody need to trade with own risk, with own independent thinking. So we can take a look at this is a menu. We're gonna talk later on. Let's take a look at the KLCR first. So we have marked this big resistance price 1616. Today the price closed at around 1604. I also marked the resistance level of yesterday's candlestick, half price of yesterday's candlestick. And in my homely lunch break, I also showed it here. Okay, I also show it here. This is a 1605, okay, is the current resistance in the morning already below 1603, 5. At that time, I think it's 1603. But afternoon, little bit difference to reach this area, because after the price can reach this level, then have a bigger chance to reach the previous high 1616. And also in my homely lunch also have some individual shares analyzed today. Analyze their three shares are their dual name, vaccine logistic provider are also analyzed from yesterday's video. And also chemical materials is material counters, and also the AME. Actually today all the recovery counters just corrects, kind of finish of the rebound, but actually the material shares is kind of good. Later on we will check. So if you want to receive the homely lunch, you can homely lunch this message in my WhatsApp broadcast. You can just WhatsApp homely lunch to 011 1652792. Okay, you can just WhatsApp homely lunch to 011 1652792. Now let's tell you about the counter, about the sector. Okay, sector today you see very slightly up of the industry and telecom, healthcare, and then plantation is not recovery. We see the recovery becomes the top losers today. The transportation and also finance also minus a little bit. So let's take a look about this healthcare first. Healthcare, we say, is unable to reverse, although the sector a little bit up. Okay, we take a look about the healthcare sector. This is the sector, and we can see 2 days rebound of this whole sector. But we can see how to verify this rally is a good rally or just a trap. So we just use the funds to double confirm. The funds is 23%. The red chips is the big funds, which can push up the price. If low funds to follow up, then the rally is just a trap to attract you to enter, and then the bankers just gone. So now we can see basically it's almost the same as yesterday. So you know that today's rally is no support, low fund support. Still not time for you to average down. So means that if you still have counters, get stuck in the glove counter, you need to take a profit when this rebound finished. Okay, so for example, we can also tell you about the glove counter. The top glove, the banker chips already decreased to 6%, very dangerous, with around 65% of locked retailer. The green chips is the locked retailer here, means around 65% of the shareholder of this top glove are losing money now, very dangerous. So yesterday have bounced back a little bit, but today just open high goes low. Okay, also not so strong. So if you have it, you can go to hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart when the rebound finished, okay, means this trend expert indicates you that the red bar turns to gray bar is your time to cut loss. Okay, cannot be expected high on this glove counter. All this sector already very obviously in this profit taken area, and we have been mentioned this 2 months ago already. Okay, and of course, if you want to check your other glove counter, then you can let me know, because I know many people have made a lot of money in this counter, so they still have a lot of trust on this glove counter. For example, this AT 0072 today, almost 50% of the investor asked me this counter, but this counter we see today the banker chips already decreased to 52%. Maybe you say that still have a chance because the banker chips more than 50%. But you can see today also got 38% of the retailers get stuck inside. A lot of retailers chasing here because they trust the glove. But now it seems it's the start of the vaccine times instead of the glove counter. Okay, even have a chance, you also need to take a profit in time. So it means that we can go to the hourly chart 0072. Okay, and you can find the sell point already appeared here before. The date is this Monday, already turned to green. The red bar turns to green, but it's short-term sell point. And also from analyze of the chart of from analyze of the counter, the price hit new high, but actually the funds of the banker chips didn't hit new high. This is deviation between the price and the funds. And later on, your last chance to exit is when the bar break down the major line. Here is today 12 o'clock. Okay, so be careful. Today, this counter dropped 22%. It's really a big drop. Okay, be careful. So how to control our emotional, our mentality in the market? Software is a really very good tool for us to control. Okay, because it's very normal to be greedy, but you need to be reality and rational in the market, so to make sure you can make money, right? So this healthcare. Then we take a look about this vaccine. We just say a vaccine actually underperform. What does it mean? Pfizer and Moderna in US, the vaccine shares have very good news that the accuracy of the vaccine proven reached 90% and 94%, really high. Okay, but actually the vaccine shares is not so good, including in the Malaysia shares. Have chance, but compared to the recent recovery shares, it's not so strong, right? So we can take a look about this vaccine shares. Vaccine shares. This material, this vaccine shares. So today, have some push up, okay, but many for this solution. Solution is vaccine counter, connect with China vaccine, right? Now it's China vaccine, American vaccine, and the related is the US. Also have Russia. Russia one is not so famous. Okay lah, okay. So solution. Okay, we tell about this chart. Okay, tell about this vaccine solution. Very strong push up by the banker chips. Banker chips now reached to 94%. Okay, and before here, the banker chips at the beginning of this month is reached 50%. When the banker chips more than 50% means already control the share. But actually, is it really can hold for long term? We need to see first thing, the banker chips need to remain. Second thing, also need to break up the previous price pattern. Today is the first day trying to break up the previous high, but only one day I cannot confirm. We need another 2 days to confirm. And also, but so far, yeah, it has funds to support. Okay, we can also see other vaccine. This Hova also have rebound 7%, but we can see still have resistance. Banker chips only 26%, means you really want to do, you can do only short term. This is Bintai. Okay, even this is vaccine connected to the US. Actually, US have very good news, but why this share is not so strong today? In the end of market close 5%, but is it means that it starts? Basically, when we analyze the chart, it's not, cannot break up the previous resistance, and also the banker chips slightly up. Okay, cannot break up this day. Compared to yesterday, have 5% increase, but still not so strong. Okay, if the banker chips just reach to 50%, might have a chance, but now not so obvious. Pharma is the strongest vaccine shares in the current market because it controlled by the bankers for long term already. Today also, banker chips reached 84%, also break the previous high already. Break out, but later fall back and they get support, come back again. But it's still not so strong. Why? What's the news? What's the reason? And you can compare to the recovery shares, the bank shares, the airline shares. Recent week, a lot of increase compared to the vaccine. So from the fundamental analysis, actually, vaccine, the market value is kind of control, is kind of limit, means that after COVID-19, seems no more chance. But the recovery shares is different. Like the airline, like the recovery, like the travel, yeah, like the material, all of them is kind of in undervalued area. So people think that especially they also have limit being big influenced by the pandemic pandemic. They will have a very strong revenge rebound, and they think it's really good time for them to enter because those shares will come back sooner than, and maybe now is the best time. So after control balance the different market value, yeah, the recovery shares is a better chance if you have a chance. Okay, and also basically the chemical the medical shares in US, vaccine shares in US, this Moderna and the Pfizer is also not so strong as we expected. But you can see the US are also the recovery shares very strong. Okay, so this is also because the investors thinking their mind, their psychology. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, others, Famalica also strong, but also cannot break up the previous high. Also, banker chips, 62%. 62% means you have a chance, but not so big chance because the price are a little bit slow. Today, 2.6%. Okay, then other is just very normal one. So this is vaccine shares. And then we take a look about the material shares. We just say material seems have stars. Okay, materials, for example, today the top gainers are number one is Alcom. Alcom is also material in Malaysia. Two things influence the material counter. First thing, Malaysia have a lot of original materials, and other countries kind of lack of this material, and also they are stop supply, stop produce. So this gives chance to the Malaysia materials, and also the RCEP, the world's largest trade agreement, have signed up their contract agreement recently. So this is also good for the material export. Okay, so you can see this is all the material counter, but in the local market, we don't have the material sector. So we can use the data from the Bloomberg, and we can see so many. So this is today's ascending, number one, 34%. The golden from also very good. We can take a look. Okay, take a look at all these shares. Some of take a look at some of these shares. Where is it? Okay, I will call out sector browse, and we can just call out the material. Yeah, material counter, and we can just right click the percentage change, then you can extending them. Okay, so we can take a look. Okay, this is outcome. Today increased 34%, banker tips 61%. So still in safe area, but I'm not saying that you can buy this share. I'm not recommending. If the correction still above this price, okay, the price is around 60 cents, you still have a chance to go, right? And this is a golden follows. This is not so regular, although the banker chips also have 75%. Kanka have short-term chance, okay, because even today have 14%, but you see banker chips only 22%. So you can go to hourly chart to buy short-term. So we can see this is hourly chart. We can call out the Kanka. So today short-term chance. When the green buttons, I can buy. Second buy point, when you reach break out the major line, also can buy. And this evergreen very strong. Okay, banker tips is fully controlled, highly controlled. Okay, also for few days already, today have 14%. So you see the bankers already lay out in advance. Okay, others and the hoverboard also very good, very strong, right? Okay, yeah, chemical component, this one. Also very strong. And we also have members have body share, also very short term, but also can make money. Okay, also can make money 8% less than 2 days. Also very good. Okay, and also if you have other counters you want to check, you can just WhatsApp me, okay? WhatsApp me 011-165-27962. And if you want to join Homely Preview class, and end of this month we have a class, menu class is 28, and the English version is Sunday morning, okay? If you want to join, you can also WhatsApp your name to me 011-165-27962. And also if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast group, you can also WhatsApp me, okay? So thank you very much. If you can benefit a little bit from today's video, you can give me a like and then share this video out. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can receive the notification of the updates. Thank you very much and see you next time. Good night.